Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday to all of you beautiful people out there. So I am going to finish up my cleaning video from yesterday. So this is going to be part 2, because at the end of the vlog I was like, part 2 is coming out on Monday. Today is Monday, okay? So I think I'm going to try to do like a power hour. I can't promise you guys, but I do have all these clothes to fold, and I didn't do it last night because my fiance started to barbecue and he needed my help. So no, that wasn't Sunday. That was actually, I recorded that video Saturday, and I posted it on Sunday, but I'm recording this video like right now as we speak, and I'm gonna try to get it out before 4 p.m. So I do have all my clothes here, right here. And so like I was telling you guys, we don't have a washer and dryer connection, and I noticed that I have music playing in the towards the end of my video when I was talking, and I was like, oh my god, they really can't hear me. But if you guys did miss that part, I was telling you guys that we don't have a washer and dryer connection here, so we do have to go over to my mother-in-law house to wash all of our laundry. And yes, it's a quad light, right? It's a quad lot, right? I know. So I'm about to do that. We don't sleep with our white pillows on the bed. We just put them to the side. So this is what's going on. I still have to vacuum the floors. I still have to do that. And I record those videos. I'm gonna try to do a pregnancy update because I noticed that I have been slipping on my pregnancy update, and I also have been slipping on my vlogs, but that's definitely because you guys would like to see more of my cleaning videos, so I put out content that you guys want to see. I was like, dang, they really don't want to see my vlogs, they want to see cleaning videos. And you know, I'm happy that you guys like to see my cleaning videos, and I'm also very happy to be cleaning, like, you know. So I'm gonna stop the chit chat. If I don't do it within an hour, I'm still going to try to hurry up and post this video before 4. Alright, so let's get into folding laundry.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. Oh, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Go. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love.
how far I got. Let me know if you guys have trouble when it comes. And yes, I hung my robe on my chair over there. I'm about to put it in the bathroom, but I'm so focused on all of these clothes that I'm actually like getting the job done really fast. Let me know in the comments if you guys have trouble with folding this. Like, I was the type that tried to put it together and just throw it in the closet. But when I met my fiance, his grandmother taught him how to fold these sheets or whatever. So I definitely learned from him. It's not the best, but it's definitely folded and it's time to put it up. So I have my boys' pile right here. In the way that I fold, I'm gonna show you guys how I put it in the drawer. And I have my towels right here, and yeah, the rest of the stuff. And I'm about to finish folding all of this. Once I finish folding all of this, or I'm gonna try to get some towels first, get all these towels out the way. It's a lot of towels, girl. Oh my god. But so yeah, I'm about to show you guys how I store their clothes in their drawer. I told you guys that my speaker is going in and out. Alright, so I'm going to take this first pile, and I'm going to take this also, and I think I'm going to take this, and I'm going to go ahead and take it this, and I'm going to take it this, and I'm going to go in here. I'm going to show you guys the way I do right here. Yeah, I definitely need to come up in here and fix this, but so when I put it in the, I put it down like that, and I take this right here and I fold it, and so this side is pretty much together, if you guys can see, and I'm just gonna insert it. So that's the first row. I have to come back and get this together. Definitely have to get it together. all the towels out the way, I'm about to go ahead and edit this video, and I'm just gonna restart another video because I still have to do all of this laundry, and I have to clean the bathroom, and I also have to clean the kitchen. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Don't break it.